Hi, lovely people. How are you? This is really weird. If you read from my title, I always do Ipsy versus Ipsy. But there are 3 Ipsys today, and I don't know what had happened. I only ordered 2 every month. I looked at my billing, and my bank statement, and I was only charged for 2 bags, so I don't know what's going on. I never look at what I'm going to get in my spoiler, so I don't know what I am getting. Which one is it? This one here I got first. I always get this like a week early, and this is my 25-year-old profile. So what I usually do is I do one that is my real age, 42, that I am dark hair, I have blue eyes, I am light complected, I love makeup, I'm very comfortable with makeup, and then I do a 25-year-old that has red hair, brown eyes, a light complexion, and that I'm not that comfortable with makeup and I like more neutral tones, neutral colors. So I'm going to open up, which one is it? Because I made sure I just popped this one so I know. I always check the tracking number. That's how I know what is what. So we're going to open up mine first and then figure out what these 2 are. So like I said, I do not know. I did know what the bag looked like because I have watched other people's unbagging. And I didn't think I was going to like the bag, but it is actually okay. I love this color here. It has a little string coming out, but I could just cut that. And that's what it looks like. So it's really pretty. Oh, and this right here has like a little airplane on it. I guess for traveling because it's like a passport. So let's just open her up. Again, this is my 25-year-old profile. So let's just begin and see what is in here. So the first thing is the little card, the theme, and it is go there. So I guess just about, going places. So the first thing we got, oh, what is this? Oh, from the Miss Glam. Now I was looking on her website because she is a YouTuber that has her own like little website that she sells things now, which is great. I love her brushes. And for a full size was $17.50. That's how I know. So I don't know if this is full size or sample, but it's so soft and you wet it and it will expand, but I don't think it'll expand that much. I mean, it is really small, but this will be great for like your concealer or like touch up. So, and it's so soft. So I'm excited to get that. Okay. The next thing we got is from Elizabeth Mott, which I love the eyeshadows. And this is Pop Goes the Shadow, and this is in Mermaid Teal. So that doesn't seem like a neutral color to me. So let's see. Oh, this is pretty. So this is like a teal color. This is actually my favorite color. Oh, it's nice and creamy. So, well, I mean, it's okay. I think if I wet it, let me try that again. I think if I wet it, I mean, it is buildable, but I like the more metallic-y. So I think if I wet it, it'll probably show up really good, like that metallic-y color. Okay. The next thing we got, oh, I know exactly what this is. This is from Tony Moly, and it is called the Painting Therapy Pack. And this is actually full size. These are like $6 or $7. And what this is for, it comes in all different colors. I got the black color clay. So this is like bamboo and charcoal. And then there's like a white color one, a pink color one, a green color one. And you can get all the colors and put the different colors on your problem area. And it's like a finger paint. And then you kind of like smear it around. And that's why it's called painting. So I am excited to get this. So that's good. So far, so good. The next thing is a NYX a soft matte lip cream in the color Caro. I always get these, and these are nice. Oh, first of all, this looks really, really light. So if you know me, I like to wear a little color. I'm not really into like the nudie nude like this color, but so I will put this in like a giveaway. What I do when I usually get my 2 bags, I fill up the things that I have doubles or things that I know I'm not going to use, and once a bag is filled up, then I usually have a little giveaway with that. So that will go in my giveaway. And last but not least, oh, this is the Tarte Smooth Operator. This is the finishing thing. I have tried this before and I do like it. The only thing is, do you see how white that powder is? So when you have white powder like this, it will 100% give you flashback. So that's why I don't care for it. But as far as the formula, it's so finely milled. It's really good for your under eyes. It's just, I like more like the peachier color. So what I will do is probably mix this in like with my Patrick Star powder or something like that. But this is a really good powder. And that is everything. So I got the Tarte. I got the Tony Moly painting clay mask. I got this, the NYX cream. I got this, which I'm surprised because it's more for like neutral, but I like the pop of color. And I got the sponge. So this is a great, great bag. I'm not complaining. So now for, let's see. This is my age, the 42-year-old. I know by the tracking number. So again, I say that I have dark hair, that I have blue eyes, I am light complected, and same bag, of course. So let's see, let me try to feel for the card. So, you know, of course, the same theme. And I just looked in here, and you're not going to believe this. Okay, so I got another little sponge. So I will put this in a little giveaway because I want somebody to even try this. It's so soft. Again, I got another NYX cream in the same color, Caro. Okay. Then we got, again, from the Elizabeth Mott, the same color in Mermaid Teal. So I will put this in a giveaway. Same thing. Now, this is more my profile because I say I like pops of color. You know, that I am very comfortable with makeup. This is the same exact bag. The Tarte finishing powder and the same thing in the black color clay, the painting thing. I have never before got two of the same bags, and my profiles are completely opposite. This is why I tried to do this little project. Do they really go by their profile? And by this, it doesn't look like they do. I got the same exact bag, and you know, okay. Let's just move on because I'm really curious what is in this third bag. I don't know. And if you don't know, this is a $10 a month subscription, so it's very reasonable. You do get sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and also some full sizes. So again, the same bag, 3 of the same bag. And I'm not going to try to peek. Same card, and let's see. Are you? You're kidding me, right? Same cream lipstick. This is the same bag. Elizabeth Mott, Mermaid Teal. You got the sponge. You got the same Tony Moly in the black and the Tarte. How does this happen? I have 3 bags. I've gotten 3 things. The same exact thing. I mean, one of them, I'll pick that up in a minute. One of them I didn't pay for, so I think, you know, I can't complain. But for both the profiles, I got the same thing. But I would have been okay if I got 3 bags with 3 different things. But 3 bags, the same thing, I'm a little irritated. So, I don't know. I know it does happen. I've seen other people. I know how you guys feel when you get the same bag. Because I do pay for this with my own money. So, I don't know. I am going to get off of here because now I'm just acting like a little brat. Let me know in the comments what you think. And do you think they go by profiles? I mean, this shows right here that they don't. Sometimes I think that they do. Let me know. And until my next video. Bye.